Pleasant day to the happy learners. I'm Dr. Shobha Edward, Principal and Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science, here to present a review of assessment year and previous year. This being an important question from the examination point of view, I would like to explain in detail. Assessment year is the year in which the income is earned, and the previous year is the year in which the income is assessed. So, the previous year's income is assessed in the assessment year. The assessment year here refers to a 12-month period starting from 1st April and it ends on 31st March. The current assessment year, for example, being 1/4/2025 to 31/3/2026. Going on to the previous year. Previous year is the year in which income is earned. So the income which is earned in the previous year is assessed in the next year, that is the assessment year. So the term previous year refers to the financial year immediately preceding the assessment year. For example, the current previous year is 1/4/2024 to 31/3/2025. There are some exceptions to this concept of the income of the previous year being taxed in the same year. So, this is the list of exceptions that you have. So, in these circumstances, the income of a person is assessed in the same year in which it is earned. Income of a non-resident shipping business, income of an individual leaving India, assessment of an association of persons or body of individuals or artificial judicial person formed for a particular purpose. So, when the purpose gets over, it has to be assessed. Transfer of property to avoid tax. So it is assessed in the same year in which it is earned. On discontinuation of business or profession, the income is assessed in the same year in which it is earned. So these are the exceptions to the concept of the previous year. In other cases, income of the previous year is assessed in the next. So, income in the previous year is always assessed to tax in the next assessment year, but except for the following exceptions which I have told you. So, thank you and have a happy and smart learning. Thank you.